It's super sunny right now. All right, I think I'm gonna start disassembling the front end. We're just gonna take brakes, control arm, sway bar, tie rods, torsion rods, CV axles. We're just taking it all off. And I'll keep up with the bolts. But it's all got to get cleaned up. I got new calipers, I got new rotors, I got new upper control arm, I got new tie rod ends and sleeves, I got new CV axles. A lot of it we're not going to be reusing, but we'll need to keep up with all the hardware to put it back on. So, all right, let's get to go. And I think we'll start with the calipers and probably just going to cut the brake lines because they got new brake lines, and then worry about fitting them all back together after a while. Well, it's got a lot of pad left, but I got new ones. All I have is this giant fork, but maybe it'll separate the center tie rod if I can get any wax on it. Victory! All right, I guess we'll do the sway bar. Let's try a short socket. Everything is in the way of everything else. It's loose, it just won't fit between the shock and the sway bar thing-a-do. All right, now I think we can get to the upper control arm nut and get this damn cotter pin out of there. Victory. Trying to find the best angle to get to. Victory! So I still haven't taken the torsion rod off yet. Ooh, that one is really gone. Both of them are shot though. They should be hard to move. Oof. All right, well, the camera died, but I went ahead and got the lower control and upper control arms off. And I still haven't got the torsion rod out. It's stuck in the back, but I think I can drop the whole cross member down maybe and get it out, knock it out. Anyway, but it's fine right there. All right, we've got some nice weather today. It's a little chilly, but I'm gonna take the opportunity to go ahead and disassemble the passenger side, front end. Tie rod ends. Oh, those damn sway bar end links, what a pain. Brake caliper. Ooh. Like butter. CV axle. Very large tear. Hello. All right, let's see if I can get these ball joints apart. Wow, that is a lot stronger than this little guy. Oh, torsion key fell out the back over there. That was convenient. I got the spindle off. Look at this ball joint. This is the worst ball joint I've ever seen. It's coming back out the top. That is pretty bad. Control arm. Whoa. Nice. Maybe I'll get the jack and put underneath so it doesn't kill me. All right, I think it's detached. Nice. Oh. All right, well, we got the whole front end torn out and got the diff dropped, so eventually I'll get around to rebuilding it, re-gearing it, and hopefully we'll paint this frame at some point. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna just keep taking stuff apart. Seem to be on a roll. I'm gonna drop the transmission, transfer case, and tear into those too. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.